I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set seat memory in your Cadillac XT5. First, get comfortable by adjusting your seat, side mirrors, and steering column to your ideal driving position. Make sure your vehicle is in park and the ignition is on. You'll find the memory buttons conveniently located on the driver's door panel. Once you've found your perfect setup, it's time to save it. Press and hold the SET button on the door panel until you hear a single chime. Immediately after, press and hold memory button 1 until you hear a second chime. Congratulations! Your personalized driving position is now successfully stored to button 1. To save a second driver's preferences, have them adjust the seat, mirrors, and steering column to their liking. Then, repeat the process. Press and hold the SET button until you hear a chime. Immediately press and hold memory button 2 until you hear a second chime. Now, 2 distinct driving positions are saved. Recalling your saved position is simple. Just press and release either button 1 or button 2, and your Cadillac XT5 will automatically adjust the seat, mirrors, and steering column to your stored preferences. This makes switching drivers effortless. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to these and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.